Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here with another video on the channel, and today is going to be another HelloFresh. It's going to be last one, I believe so. And I just want to share you what I've received. So there's a box over there. It's going to be super short video for those people who want to buy maybe in the future, because my ref link is just going to work just for this month anyway. I believe so, at least. I don't know. It's only for 10 people. But that doesn't really matter. I mean, I'm just purely and strictly just making this video because I just want to show you guys. So you might see, do you really want to order it or not in the future? Because, well, somebody might see this video like a year from now, because we'll be actually looking forward to buy the stuff from the HelloFresh. So I'm just looking behind because there's the box over there. I just want to put everything to the fridge in the minute. I'm just going to show you this right now. So the box is quite huge. Ta-da, as you can see. And we have some leaflets inside. There's not really much to it, so I'm just going to be super fast and brief with it. So we have the welcome to HelloFresh. Something like that. Welcome to the HelloFresh. Some leaflet. And in that leaflet, what do we have? Some introduction, and basically they teaching us about we can using an app on the mobile, and then basically they're showing us we can claim the free gifts on the 4th, 6th, 8th and every second delivery. So it's just basically, yeah, introduction to the app and to the, well, actually I need to read this because it's just telling me enjoy more in your box. So that's how it looks like. I don't really want to dwell much about this because there is nothing really to talk to. So just briefly going to show you like introduction to the application, mobile application. Then we have some rewards on every second delivery, and pretty much that's it. Some frequent asked questions. So that's about this. Enjoy more in your box. That's intrigue, this sentence. I just want to understand what's going on about this. From show-stopping premium recipes to the street food dishes, tasty seasonal recipes and more, look out for the tags in your weekly menus. Plus, choose a variety of delicious sides, breakfast dishes, lunches, and desserts from our range. Okido. So, enjoy more in your box, whatever that means. Okido. So, that was it. And then the meals which I actually order, believe it or not, I'm skinny, I know. I'm skinny, but I order for 2 people, but I'm single, by the way, but I like to eat for both. So I have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 meals, but actually it's at 10 meals because I have portion for 2 people. So we're just going to start with the Welsh rare. I don't even know how to spell it. I never had it, to be honest. Welsh rarebit pie with lentils and mushroom. So it's 40 to 45 minutes to prep. I don't know how to show you, but basically this is my meal, and you can see it's 40 minutes, or maybe you can't see, but anyway, we have the ingredients on the right side. So what we are going to have in the package, because on the right corner we have the number somewhere here. This number telling us on the packet 19 we have all the ingredients for making this dish, and on the back we're having the way how to prep this. So it's like super easy, as you can see. We're just going to chop everything on the desk, and then we're just going to put everything into the hob, and yada yada, and then we are just going to put everything ready, steady, bake. Place the lentil filling on the season with the salt and pepper if needed. Bake the pie on the top shelf on your oven until golden brown, 15-20 minutes. So it's basically like super easy to prep. So yeah, one meal, then another. We are having here the oven baked ghost cheese risotto. So that's the meal. I know I'm crap with showing you the food, but you know the idea behind. On the front we have how it's supposed to looks like, and the timing, which that's supposed to take me 30 to 40 minutes to prep. And again, like super easy to prep, something like that. And then I have another meal, which is the sticky beef rice bowl. So I'm just going to show you the pictures from now on. That's the dish. And then another, I having the pork and apple burger. So I'm supposed to have apple somewhere, I believe so. This is the picture and ingredients. It's actually lots of ingredients, believe it or not, because from the title of the meal, I'm just gonna call it the title of the meal, like, well, pork and apple burger, actually we can understand. We probably going to have the apple here, obviously, and the pork, but there's more to it. There's not just an apple and pork. It's not just an apple and pork, guys. It's actually, we have the potatoes, we have the dried rosemary, panko breadcrumbs, we have the mature cheddar cheese, we have the rocket, we have the apple and salt jelly here. So we have the balsamic glaze, we have the glazed burger buns. Yeah, we got? Yeah. Okay. We got the buns. Okay. And pork means apple. Oh, there's an apple. I need to put everything to the fridge or somewhere. A cold place in a minute. And then we have the potatoes, and again everything is on the back. How to do this? I mean, like, for me it's like super great, just simply because I can order, especially if you actually on the gym or intermittent fasting, so you can just basically eat one meal during the day or two. I think I'm just going to eat those 2 portions at one, just as a one meal, and maybe do the breakfast, or maybe I'll be maybe I will be on the intermittent fasting. So the point is, like, you don't really need to spend lots of money, and you don't need to waste the time to go shopping at all, which is good for Diablo nerd, because I don't need to waste the time. I'm just going to work and just eating at home, and then I can play the game, right? Which is spot on. That's how it's supposed to be. I wish to everybody to have that time management, I believe so. So spicy hoisin beef, which I never had that in that way. We have the hoisin sauce, we have the chicken stock past, and that's not the one. We actually have the honey here. We have lots of ingredients to it, so I believe so everything is going to be like in the small packages or something like that. So I'm super excited about cooking, because actually I like to cook. Cooking is nice, and I wasn't really fancy, like, you know, doing like some different meals ideas for the keto or any other diet I'm in or I'm on. But with this, I'm just going to finish right now. I'm just going to wrap up this video. But with this, it's like super extra opportunity to, well, firstly, eat well and healthy. Secondly, learn and understand how to cook like some other exciting, proper, high quality meals. And yeah, well, pretty much that's it. The rest is self-explanatory. So basically, if somebody really wanna buy healthy, high-quality food from the HelloFresh and use my ref link, because it's just only for 10 people anyway, I believe so. I don't know. I'm not sure, but they explained to me the my ref link is just going to work for 10 people. So if not, it's probably not going to work then. What I'm trying to say, the first order is going to be just 50% off, and then another 3 are going to be 35% off. So it's like huge deal, because you can actually spend, well, you can buy actually the almost for 50 pounds food worth about 20 pounds. So you just can spend 20 pounds and get like 45 pounds food. But you can choose less. You can just spend the 15 pounds and then you will receive obviously the less food. But the long story short is just like super opportunity to buy it. And then obviously if you don't want to buy it on the next week or another, you just don't. You just unsubscribe and you just don't. But I will just carry on with that HelloFresh for the month, for the duration of the month, because just simply the second, third, and the fourth of the order is going to be 35% less. And then I will swap from well, because I have right now 10 meals, I will just swap to the 6 meals, and I will just basically pay 30 pounds per week for one person for 6 days. So it's actually super convenient and cheap. if you're on the strict diet, it's cheap. I'm not going to say like it's expensive because it's not. Okay, though, thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys for the next video. If you want to follow Diablo content, it's going to be starting on the June. Yay! So it's going to be a full English channel, obviously, because I need to improve my English because it's still shite. And so everyone who like to watch and follow, it's a new Twitch channel. And also it's going to be a Diablo 2DR resurrected giveaway for those who are going to follow the channel. That's just the rule. You just need to follow the channel and you will receive, I mean, you will have the opportunity to receive the Diablo 2 resurrected, which I'm going to mention this video probably in this week as well. So thank you very much guys one more time for watching, and see you. And lovely day or night, depends when you're watching. And I'm just going to go and hide everything to the fridge because I already ate a meal. But tomorrow, if you want to see how it's going to be prepped, it's probably going to be on my Instagram. So take care and bye for now. Bye 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 bye. Papatki.